Engineers often need to create and simulate models of real-world components and systems in order to predict their behavior. A common way to do this is to start with a block diagram, which is a visual representation of system components, their underlying math, and the connections between those components. The next step is to move from the block diagram to simulation. That's where Simulink comes in. By connecting and grouping blocks, you can model components and algorithms. You can then simulate your model just by pressing Run and inspect its behavior with various readouts. The graphical layout makes it easy to model systems like this motor controller or even an entire aircraft. If this looks complicated, don't worry. In this course, we'll walk you through modeling dynamic systems from the very beginning. We'll learn about adding and customizing blocks, integrating custom MATLAB functions with Simulink, creating filters, and representing dynamic systems. Finally, you'll apply your knowledge with some projects. You'll implement the logic for an automotive performance package, model a thermostat, and capture the dynamics of a diving peregrine falcon. This course should take about 3 hours to complete, but you can leave anytime and come back later. So what are you waiting for? Start Simulink Onramp today.